Are you tired of those clunky, overloaded planner templates that have too much visual noise? Hey everyone, I'm a designer with 7 years of experience, and today I'm going to show you exactly how pro designers approach clean, minimalist layouts. We're going to skip expensive software and use the power of tables in Google Docs to build a super stylish, functional, and minimal monthly planner template. This is top design, made simple, so let's not waste any time and get started. Let's start. We head over to the File tab, then Page Setup. First, let's choose our paper size and set it to letter. Now for the margins field, we need to set precise values to maximize space. Top is 0.26, bottom is exactly the same, 0.26, left is 0.5, and right is also 0.5. I confirm. Hit OK. Next, let's pick our main font. Go to Fonts, More Fonts. In the search bar, type Lotto. Check that the tick is active and click Done. We select our working font, Lotto Normal, and set the size to 10 point. Next, we go to Insert and create a 2-column table. We set right alignment in the right column. Now we set the line spacing to single. Go to Styles, Normal Text, and Update Normal Text. Select everything together, Ctrl-A, and confirm the single line spacing. Next, we set the font size to 16 and enter Monthly Planner. Now select all the text, go to the search icon, and enter uppercase. Okay, now for the right column, we set the font size to 11. I want the text to be at the bottom. We go to the 3 dots, Table option, then Cell and Vertical Alignment. Set it to bottom, and let's immediately set the cell padding 0.05 inch. Perfect. Let's select all the text once more and apply 0.05 inch for the padding. This is the border framing around the table. Now the text will be written from the right edge to the left, which will allow us to align it to the right side. We type months of and enter the date value. Perfect. Now let's select the text months of and set it to uppercase. As you can see, the setting is saved, and now we set the main title to bold formatting, and months of is also selected and made bold. Excellent. Next, let's remove the borders around the table. We make them invisible and change the font color. Go to the 3 dots, Color, and set table border to 0 point. There you go. Done. Now let's create another table. This will be the table for our priorities. We select the middle column, go to Table Options, Column Width, and here we set the value to 0.3 inch. Good. Now let's split the cell, right-click and choose Split Cells. We split it into 2 columns. We take and drag this slider to the left. This will be the column for our numbers. Right-click and create 2 columns. We check that we have the same value. Copy the width from the right column and paste the same value into the left one. Good. Now let's change the color slightly to a lighter gray for the border outline. Remove the borders in the middle column as we don't need it. I want to divide it into 2 columns, right and left. Remove the left border and the right border and set them to 0 point. Right-click, insert row below. We create another row. I want to merge the top row, and we remove its top border so it's invisible. Exactly what I wanted. Here we select the top border and set the value to 1.5 to make it slightly thicker. We create another row. We highlight the top 4 borders, and here we set it to 1 point. Now we can copy the insert row below style as many times as we want and delete if necessary. I think that will be enough. Now let's enter our numbers. Super. Now we select them and I want to set the center alignment. We go to the top tab, Alignment, and choose Center. We check that the font is the same color as the rest of the text. Here the alignment is also center. Good. Now let's pull the table up slightly and write the heading Priorities. Select it and set the bold formatting. Excellent. The Priorities table is ready. Now let's build the main month table. Create a 7-column table for the days of the week. I'll make it 7 by 6. Color the borders gray right away. Select the first row, all borders, and turn them off, but the top border here is set to 1.5. Enter the days of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and align to the center. Minimum row height is set to 0.8 inch so the cells are spacious. Copy the rows, remember. You need to bring the top border back to 1 point for the subsequent rows. Copy until you get the size you want, for example, 7 by 6. The final block, Notes. Create a 1 by 2 table. Type the title, Notes, bold formatting. Top row, turn off all borders. Then set only the top border with a thickness of 1.5. Check this out. To quickly expand the notes area, just drag the table by the bottom edge. Our monthly planner is ready. Look at this result. Zoom out to 75%. It looks neat and professional. I love it. You can download this minimalist monthly planner template for absolutely free. Find the link along with my Etsy shop link for premium be.design templates in the description below. Thank you all for watching.